Hello YouTubers! In this tutorial, I will be showing you all how to draw the mother and wife of the Proud family, Trudy. So, let's begin. First thing we want is like a basic little circle for the top of her head. And then the lower part of her face is going to be shaped kind of like it's with a pointed round point at the top. Actually, it is a point at the bottom. And then we're going to draw this little shape for her neck. And then we also need to indicate her body. And she's got like sort of a hourglass shape body, which basically goes like this. And then we're just going to draw these lines to indicate her legs. And then you can draw two small ovals for the feet that will go like this. And she's going to have one hand on her hip. And then one arm's going to be down like that. And then we got to put the center line so that we know where the middle of her face will be in a line. This line's for the eyes. This line is for the middle of her face. Now, let's move on to drawing her eyes. Her eyes are these very thin almond shapes. And then make sure you have a dark line at the top that sticks out on the left. That's the eyelash. Make sure there's a line sticking out on both sides. And then I'm going to draw these little ovals. These are like the pupils of her eyes. And then you're going to draw her nose. And then we'll draw her mouth. She is going to be smiling. So we're going to draw this kind of S. That's her lip, her upper lip, with a curve on the right side as well. I'm going to draw this side of her lips. And then we're going to have her mouth open to see her teeth. And this is her lower lip. And then, right up here, you're going to draw one really thin moon shape. This is going to be her eyebrow. Except you're not going to do it on the other side because it's hidden by her hair. And that's what we're going to draw next. We're going to draw her hair. And her hair is basically like a sort of a bob cut. It's short. So I'm going to bring this curve up. And you're going to get this end up here. And then this side is going to be a little more triangular shaped. Just draw these shapes. And then you can put in these few details. Draw these lines here. Then you're going to draw these lines as well. And then you can take this side of your pencil and just shade it in black. Slowly take your time, stay in the lines. And use nothing but the side of the pencil. So that's her hair. Now it's time to draw her clothes. So we can start with this V shape. She's wearing like something like a coat. Just then stick this line out, and then for a button you can just draw a little oval. Then here's the like flaps of her coat. Then here's the other flap. Here's this side of her shirt or coat. Then we're just gonna finish up the rest of her coat. Here's her and then on this side you're gonna draw kind of a V shape for her chest. And then on this side, you're going to draw a line that goes down like this. Then grab that end. Then we're going to draw her arm, which is going to go like this. Now we need to draw her hand on her hip. So you don't see all of her fingers. So you're just gonna take your time doing it. Fix that just a little bit. Only her middle finger is out completely. The other two are just hidden. Then there's her arm, and then you're gonna curve it off with this. And then we need to draw her legs. Well, at least the sides of her legs. This side's gonna curve. Let's just draw the outer edges of her legs. Then they'll go like this. Then you're gonna draw her arm that is down. Then you're going to draw her finger. And then you're going to draw 3 fingers up here. Then you're going to draw the sleeve. And then right here, you are going to draw kind of a V shape for the outer edges of her legs. And then right here, you're going to finish that V, and then you're going to draw the back calf of her leg. And then we are going to draw her foot. Then you're going to put a V shape for her shoe. Put a curve to get the lower edge of her pants. And then right here, you're going to draw her heel, which goes like this. Then you're going to draw the lower leg edge of her other pant leg. And then we could remove some of our construction lines. We got some on her arms and her legs. Let's get rid of those. And her body. And we definitely have some on our face. We need to get rid of that. And her mouth. And there you go. That is Trudy Proud. Hope you all had fun. Please make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.